Service AI has impacted our dealership's results significantly. We've seen an appointment rate increase of roughly 32%. We've set over 600 incremental service appointments that we wouldn't have gotten otherwise. My name is Paul Hepp. I'm the Digital Marketing Director for the O'Brien Auto Team. I manage both our in-house marketing department as well as our tools and processes that we use across our auto group. Along with getting the customer loyalty and retention, we're looking for an automated solution. We can always just hire more staff and throw more bodies at it, but that takes a lot of work to do. So our main goal was to try to follow up missed appointments, try to get lapsed customers in within time and capacity. What's great about it is that it was basically a seamless transition into what we're currently doing. We use Xtime today for scheduling all of our service appointments. What's great about this tool was that it started pushing people towards using the online scheduler without having to have that human interaction. Basically works directly in with our scheduler to be able to send those people to schedule their service appointments in a timely fashion. ROI that we've seen in our Service AI investment, the appointment rates of 32% is huge. From what I understand from talking to my service directors, they're very happy with the RO revenue that they've been seeing and the increase that they've seen. We have been able to get more ROs in just simply from having the influx of these communications with our customers. We've re-engaged with thousands of customers in a very, very quick and short time frame. We've really cut down on inbound phone call volume, which is huge for us from a staffing perspective. It allows our service advisors to be service advisors, working with our customers, working with the technicians, and not having to sit there tied to the phone all the time. Would I recommend Impel? Absolutely, I would recommend it to anybody that wants to see incremental increases in their business. Go for it.